In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the time zone in Snowflake. If you're working with data across various geographic locations, keeping track of time zones is essential to maintaining data accuracy and coherence. Snowflake, a popular cloud data platform, provides a straightforward method to verify the time zone settings, which I'm going to walk you through effortlessly. To begin with, you'll want to access Snowsite, which is the user-friendly web interface for Snowflake. If you haven't done so already, log into Snowsite using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll notice a highly intuitive dashboard designed to make data management an efficient experience. From here, we will create a dedicated space for running our commands. Next, you'll head over to the Worksheet section. This area is where all of your queries and commands are performed, allowing you full control over the data and settings. Opening a new worksheet is quite simple. Just look for the option to either create a new worksheet or navigate to an existing one that you'd like to use for this operation. Now that you're in a worksheet, it's time to run the command that will show the current time zone configuration. This command is incredibly straightforward yet powerful in retrieving the information you need. You have a couple of options at this stage, but we'll focus on the most comprehensive method. You'll want to enter the command, show parameters like time zone. This command will provide you with the complete time zone configuration for your Snowflake account. Once you execute this command, Snowflake will retrieve and display the current parameters related to the time zone setting. The platform will present this information in a tabulated format, making it easy to understand and interpret. This output includes the precise details of the configured time zone for your account, which is crucial for ensuring that all your data operations align with the correct time settings. Checking the time zone configuration is an excellent practice, especially when you're handling projects that involve multiple time zones or require precise time-based analysis. This step not only helps in verifying your setup, but also aids in diagnosing any potential issues related to time discrepancies that may arise during data processing or analysis. That wraps up today's tutorial on checking the time zone in Snowflake. Remember, maintaining proper time zone settings is vital for accurate data interpretation and reporting. Thank you for joining me, and feel free to explore more Snowflake features in your efforts to master this powerful data platform. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more insights into optimizing your Snowflake workflows.